Hey, my name's Aidan. I run a lead generation agency, and I want to give this quick testimonial to Ben Morone, who helped me place a really quality hire within my business. Before working with him, I didn't have any employees, it was just me running the business, and especially with some of the more repetitive tasks like inbox management, I was just getting really frustrated with having to do it over and over and over again, knowing that I could spend my time on more high leverage tasks. And after working with Ben, he was able to, first off, find and place a really, really quality hire, somebody who already had a couple years of experience in the exact thing I was hiring for. And when she came into the business, she already knew what was happening. Her prior experience in the field made it so I really didn't have to babysit her at all, and she already kind of knew what was happening and how to do things. And at this point, I'm pretty much removed from inbox management altogether. It's something that she handles for me, and I couldn't be happier. So if you're looking to find good quality hires for a really, really affordable price and not have to go through that whole interview process and vetting people and not knowing who might be right or who might be wrong, I would really suggest going to Ben and working with Ben. He'll set you up and make sure that you have somebody quality within your business.